There's really no product in the market today for consumers that does what Google TV does. It's the first product and only product that integrates your traditional television watching experience with a full internet experience, right? So we think that part of Google TV we're really excited about, and we think it's the best product in the market today that does that. We never really intended Google TV to replace your cable or satellite subscription. What we wanted to do, and the problem we were really focused on from day one, was how do we bring all the great content that people find on the internet that wasn't available on TV to the television, right? And that's really, with respect to that hasn't changed. You can still get access to all your TV channels from ABC, Fox, NBC, CBS on Google TV through your cable or satellite service, but now you can get access to all the other internet content that you previously couldn't do. For example, you can watch YouTube, you can watch New York Times video, you can watch The Onion, you can watch all sorts of new content that previously just wasn't available through traditional TV channels. So a lot of people we found in the early development of Google TV were doing just that. They're plugging their laptop into the TV and sort of using an operating system designed for the PC on their TV. And that actually was a source of a lot of inspiration for what we did with Google TV. We wanted to make something that is much easier and much simpler to just hook up and it just works, and not be overcomplicated with all the things that your computer has. Like, you'll notice that your computer isn't really designed for a great video experience, right? You can't get the same integration with television with your computer on Google TV, right? Or with your computer as you can on Google TV. So we recognize that a lot of customers are hooking up laptops to their TVs, and what we want to do with Google TV is take the best parts of that experience and make it available in sort of a mainstream consumer-ready product. Over time, what you'll see, and this is something we've announced, is we're going to open up Google TV to all developers, and we're really excited to see all the new apps that they build and they distribute to our users. But Google TV, you're right, does support two application models. We support not only the Android application model, but you can also get access to all your favorite internet apps. So for example, Facebook is an example of an app that's available on the internet that you can access through Google TV using Chrome. So there is a little bit of a difference between the experience between the Sony device and the Logitech device. In particular, Sony and Logitech have gone with different color schemes in the UI. So Sony's going with a black color scheme that matches their sort of industrial design better, and Logitech chose to go with a blue color theme. Sony and Logitech also produce their own apps. Logitech is building a video camera, and they built a great video chat app that lets you video chat with your friends and family. Sony invested time building a local media player app to play local media, and also delivered an application they call Curiosity that lets you rent movies and watch other TV shows through a pay-per-view service. So I think what the experience is very similar. It's still a Google TV experience, but both Logitech and Sony have customized it a little bit to work better with their brands and their product line. Our goal is that every Google TV product will be updated quickly and with the latest version, and that they'll all be compatible with the most popular Google TV features.